Hello and welcome. It's great to start this conversation today. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I always enjoy having meaningful conversations. How about you?
I'm doing great too. Conversations like this are always interesting because we get to learn more about each other.
That's true. Sometimes a simple conversation can reveal a lot about a person's experiences and thoughts.
Exactly. Let's begin with a simple introduction. What's your name?
My name is Adrian. What's your name?
My name is Clara. It's nice to meet you, Adrian.
Nice to meet you too, Clara.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Ireland, but now I live in the Netherlands. What about you?
I'm from Portugal, and I live in Lisbon.
Lisbon is a beautiful city. I've heard that it has amazing views and colorful streets.
Yes, that's true. The city is built on hills, so there are many viewpoints where you can see the river and the old buildings.
That sounds wonderful. I would love to visit someday.
You definitely should. The city has a very relaxed and welcoming atmosphere.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a marketing specialist. My job involves creating campaigns to promote products and services. What about you?
I'm an architect. I design residential buildings and sometimes public spaces.
That sounds like a very creative profession.
Yes, it combines creativity with technical knowledge.
What inspired you to become an architect?
When I was younger, I loved drawing buildings and imagining new spaces. Over time, I realized that architecture would allow me to turn those ideas into reality.
That's fascinating. Creating spaces where people live and work must feel very rewarding.
It does. Seeing a project completed after months of planning is always satisfying.
What does a typical day look like for you?
I usually start the day by reviewing plans and meeting with clients. Later, I work on design sketches and computer models.
That sounds quite busy.
Yes, but I enjoy it. What about your typical day?
I usually begin by checking emails and analyzing market data. After that, I often meet with colleagues to discuss marketing strategies.
It sounds like teamwork is very important in your job.
Absolutely. Marketing campaigns often involve designers, writers, and data analysts working together.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy cycling, reading books, and exploring new cafes around the city.
Cycling must be popular in the Netherlands.
Yes, it's one of the main ways people travel around the city.
That's very environmentally friendly.
Exactly. What about your hobbies?
I enjoy photography, painting, and visiting art museums.
Photography is a wonderful hobby.
Yes, it helps me see everyday life from a different perspective.
Do you prefer taking photos of people or landscapes?
Mostly landscapes and architecture.
That makes sense given your profession.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee almost every morning.
Me too. Coffee helps me feel energized and ready for the day.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is light blue.
Mine is dark green.
Where do you live exactly in the Netherlands?
I live in Rotterdam, near the harbor area.
I've heard Rotterdam has very modern architecture.
Yes, the city is known for its innovative buildings.
That must be inspiring for architects.
Definitely.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Oliver.
That's a nice name. Do you have any pets?
Not at the moment, but I would like to adopt a dog in the future.
Dogs are great companions.
Are you married? No, I'm not married yet. What about you?
I'm single as well.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music and soft acoustic songs.
I listen to jazz and alternative music.
Music can really change your mood.
Absolutely. Sometimes music helps me concentrate while working.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I usually go cycling or running several times a week.
I practice yoga and sometimes go jogging.
Yoga is great for relaxation.
Yes, it helps me stay calm and focused.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 in the morning.
I wake up a little earlier, usually at 6:30.
That's quite early.
Yes, but it gives me more time to prepare for the day.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like exploring new places, meeting friends, and sometimes visiting museums.
That sounds fun. What about you? I enjoy walking near the river, reading books, or trying new restaurants.
Trying new food is always exciting.
Yes, especially in cities with diverse cultures.
Have you traveled to many countries?
Yes, I've visited Spain, France, and Turkey.
That's wonderful. What about you?
I've traveled to Sweden, Italy, and Japan.
Japan must have been an incredible experience.
It really was. The culture and technology there are fascinating.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Visiting traditional temples and exploring modern cities like Tokyo.
That sounds amazing.
Traveling helps people understand the world better.
I completely agree. What are your future goals?
I would like to design sustainable buildings that help protect the environment.
That's a very important goal.
Environmental sustainability is becoming more important in architecture.
Yes, many industries are focusing on sustainability now.
What are your long-term goals?
I would like to start my own marketing agency one day.
That's an ambitious plan.
It'll take time and experience, but I believe it's possible.
Determination and patience are key.
Exactly.
What motivates you every day?
The idea of improving myself and achieving my goals.
That's a great mindset. What motivates you? Creativity and curiosity. I always want to learn new things and explore new ideas.
Lifelong learning is very important.
Yes, the world changes quickly, so we need to keep learning.
I completely agree with that.
Well, this has been a really enjoyable conversation.
Yes, I've learned a lot about your experiences and interests.
I enjoyed hearing about your work and travels.
Hopefully, we can have another conversation like this in the future.
I would like that very much.
Until next time,
Take care and have a wonderful day.
you too.